Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, we will cover the first week of development from fertilization to implantation in a simple and visual way. So let's start the video. Fertilization occurs at day 1. Fertilization occurs in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. It is the process where a sperm fuses with an ovum to form a zygote. And this zygote is the first cell of a new individual containing 46 chromosomes, half from the mother and half from the father. Then the next step is cleavage, which occurs from day 1 to 3. Soon after fertilization, the zygote begins dividing. This is called cleavage. These are rapid mitotic divisions without growth. The cells formed are called blastomeres. By the third day, about 12 to 16 cells are formed, which are known as morula. Then, blastocyst formation occurs from day 4 to 5. The morula enters the uterine cavity around the 4th day. Fluid enters inside, forming a cavity, and now it's called a blastocyst. The blastocyst has following layers: the outer layer, trophoblast, which forms placenta later, and the inner cell mass, which is called embryoblast, which forms the embryo, and a fluid-filled cavity called blastocele. Then implantation of blastocyst begins in the uterine wall from day 6 to 7. And then around day 6 to 7, the blastocyst attach to the endometrium of the uterus, usually at the posterior wall. The trophoblast differentiate into cytotrophoblast, which is inner cellular layer, and syncytiotrophoblast, which is outer layer that invades the endometrium. This makes the beginning of implantation. Now let's have a quick summary. So at the day 1, in the result of fertilization, zygote will form. At day 2 to 3, in the result of cleavage, morula will form. And then day 4 to 5, blastocyst will form, and then day 6 to 7, implantation begins. This completes the first week of human development and a crucial foundation for the next stages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple embryology videos.